Benue State in the middle belt of Nigeria is the most terrorized state in Nigeria as I speak to you. Benue State is 90% Christian, and this 90%, 80% of them are Catholic. So Benue State is like a Catholic state. It's a Christian state. Now, a lot of people are trying to unravel the cause of these killings, incessant killings, consistent killings of Benue people in Nigeria. And a lot of people are saying it is political, it is this, it is that. But in a situation where an imam will be in the mosque and teaching his people, the Muslims, that Christians and Muslims ought not to stay together, that they don't have anything, that they are enemies, that in a true jihad, that no Christian deserve to live if they don't want to convert to Islam, that they are worthy that their head should be cut off.
Kuma a ce a haɗa kai a bar aibata juna bayan Allah ya ce mana wannan kafiri ne. Wannan da muka yi taron da shi Allah ya ce kafiri ne, maƙiyin mu ne. Kuma kafirai Allah ya ce mu kulla adawa da su har abada. Ba wai kawai ba mu san su ba, a'a adawa, maƙina ne, ba ni ƙamnar shi. Da ana jihadi fi sabilillah ina samu dama zan jira wuyansa ne. Alƙashin jagoranci da shugaba ba wai jihadi na fauda ba, na shirme wanda an bangare za su bangare su. Annabi Ibrahim haka ya gaya ma Allah, ya fore shi ya gaya ma mutanensa, inna bura'a'u minkum, mu kan mun barranta daga barinku ba mu ba ku, wa mimma ta'buduna min dunillahi kafarna bikum wa bada bainana wa bainakum al'adawatu wal baghdha'u abadan hatta tu'minu billahi wahda. Adawa da kiyayya tsakaninmu da ku sayar da kuka yi imani, amma ba haka ba ku makiyin mu ne. Kirista makiyin mu ne, ba ma san shi, ba ma kamar shi, ba ma masa fata alkhairi, sai dai kawai muna fatan ya musulunta ya dawo kan musulunci. Da Yahudi ba namu bane, ba ma san shi, ba ma kamar shi, ba ma masa fata alkhairi, sai musulunta sai. Shine addinin mu, shine aqidar mu. Ba wai a zo a haɗe ba kowa ya gama magana abokin shi magana mai daɗi. Annabi Allah.
Good morning everyone, thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Monday, the 30th day of June 2025. Today is the last day of this month. I think I can say happy new month of July in advance. All right, there is a trending report since the day before yesterday that the United States, UK organizations released report on how former President Buhari allegedly funded Ebuka in the southeast to kill residents, use Imo Ebonyi governments as executors. How does that sound to you? Now, do you remember Sheikh Ahmed Gumi saying they should recruit Igbos to kill other Igbos? If you remember that, you will understand that this is the sole agenda of these people to carry out ethnic cleansing. Now, they understand that Igbos have resistance against invaders. That is before, not now. And they wanted a situation where Igbos will be used against Igbos, like they used to do before. Now, this report is causing controversies, but I don't want it to cause controversies because these people who reported this might be 100% correct, because if you have been following me, I made 3 videos about this. How many of you remember what Asari Dokubo said on a live video, that after helping Nigerians to fight Igbos in the southeast, they killed so many people, and now the federal government want to, swing him, and that is because Tinubu refused to renew the contract of what they are doing in the southeast. They have been telling you that people who are doing these things are Biafra dictators, are Simon Ekpa people, are Nnamdi Kanu people. But before we go forward, I'm going to reveal a lot of things to you in this video as usual. My attention was drawn to a criminal, an Igbo person. A criminal was caught with AK-47, and he confesses that he has shot so many people. He said there are 8 Fulani people working with them in collaboration, that they were recruited to go and shoot and cause chaos the strongholds of either ESN, Biafra Liberation Army, or any place they are Biafra agitators, their stronghold. They will send these people there who are Igbos working with Fulanese. He confesses it with his mouth, so you are going to watch it. They will go there and shoot indiscriminately, kill people. Now, they will label it on ipob. They will label it on Biafra agitators. We'll come back to discuss the rest of things. Very important, but take a listen to what this man said.
Talk before you go. I will kill you. Talk with you. You can't carry this gun. Can't do for here.
I beg more than time my hand. I beg more now, untie my hand.
Make you untie your hand.
I beg.
Say wetin happen.
I beg.
Now they shoot all these things, they cause problem, they kill innocent
I
people.
beg. He say near waiting us and what? Waiting us and what tell us. Today 11. He give us 1.1 million, 100,000. Each person 5 days in Nachi.
Is it Nachi?
Yes.
For inside Okigwe.
Inside Okigwe.
So now they shoot all these things, they cause all this insecurity for Okigwe, Abi.
I beg you now.
Huh?
I no wonder.
If you talk true, we go leave you. If you talk true, call all these people we send you.
Make una untie my hand. I beg.
So this one what happened yesterday. Now you and your group, Abi.
Now we are special squad of our group.
Special squad.
Yes, we they call them SF.
SF.
Yes, search and flush.
On a special squad.
Yes.
On a they call them SF.
SF. They carry black killers come. Now them come express or Kigwe Express yesterday. Now them. I beg you now.
Waiting them come or Kigwe come do so now them come kill this innocent soul where they kill yesterday.
Innocent soul. Anywhere where Biafra Liberation Army they operate, we go there shoot anyhow. We dey fight for Kigwe here. Four run. No only me, na me shoot that man wey carry Takuma. He say him the Igbo man.
Takuma car?
Or
Jeep? That Jeep?
That Jeep?
Yes.
Hey, they
shoot her.
So now they cause this problem, Abi.
Yes. As the fight.
Akiwo onye Igbo, si Igbo, si Igbo.
Akiwo onye Igbo.
Igbo man.
Igbo man.
Yes.
Ngwa si Igbo. Lee, nna jụ gị ihe na gị na-ekwu n'Igbo. Iwe onye Igbo.
Alma niile kwuo.
Ị na-anụ ihe na-ekwu.
Biko ya na maka.
Lee ihe iji aka wee mee onwe gị.
Maka mama na ọwa ashị ka ndị ala atọ anyị biko. Achọ m ịmụ biko. Anyị ga-erepụ ụmụ nwaanyị. Onye nke m repụrụ atụwara m ime. Biko na ọ ka mụrụ nwa last week Wednesday.
Ndị Awụsa ole nọ n'ime unu? Ndị Awụsa ole nọ?
N'ime anyị dị 8.
Ọnụ na ndị Awụsa nụkwa n'ime unu na-arụkwa ihe a.
Ọ ha na-enye anyị eke. Ọ ndị amị ka ha malachikwara anyị uniform malachina ase nwa orula.
Ihe okwu ga-ewe eziokwu lee oyikwa efe ndị amị. Ha yicha efe ndị amị na-agba egbe yesterday gbagbucha innocent soul. Unu gbagbucha ndị aka ha dị ọcha.
Biko awụ nwanne unu anyị na-asụ ofe asụ.
Ise wụ nwanne anyị.
Awụ nwanne unu.
Lee nwanne anyị na-asụ ofe asụ.
Ka na ji Awụsa.
Amụrụ m n'ugwu Awụsa, etoro m n'ugwu Awụsa, aga m training n'ugwu Awụsa. Ebe a ka Chinasa Nworu kpọrọ anyị.
Ndị Boko Haram.
Biko
Ndị Boko Haram.
Ndị Boko Haram.
Nna ji Awụsa by sose ebe a nna ji kada. Nna ji Awụsa.
Dan Burumba.
Ka ya kwuru nna tembe nkwa kuberi n'imi. Nna so nje gida mmu. Nna so nje ọhafịa. Nna so nje apeba. Nna da yaro na suna mata na aṅụrịka. Suna mata na aṅụrịka ka ya kwuru.
Na kwano no ga ihe ka ọsọ ga oge ya wa asụsụ terrorists. You see, people should see these are the terrorists working with Chinasa Nworu and the Scorpion Colonel. These are the terrorists destroying the name of Gentle and his men, Biafra Liberation Army. You see, we have caught this one red-handed. They were shooting anyhow yesterday, causing insecurity in Okigwe State yesterday. But the Biafra Liberation Army went for rescue and we caught this one inside the bush with his rifle. As you can see, look at his rifle. See his boot here. Look at him with military uniform, Janjaweed uniform. The zoo terrorists. Look at them with their uniform. Hey, we don't fight them. Thunder don't fight.
Now, from the beginning of this video till this point, tell me what is going on that the government is not involved in it. You will realize that everything boils down to the government sponsoring terrorists against their own people. This is not acceptable. All these things are going on. We are doing all these things just to prove to people who are yet to believe that the government is against them. People in government are against you people. Now, how can these people be operating with the military? You tell me that the governors in the southeast are not aware. They are aware. They know everything. Then why would they do this against their people? If you are not involved, why can't you speak? Speak up. Speak up. Just look at what is going on. Look at what is going on. Any form of criminality, I don't like it at all. So this man confessed that he's killing people, working with the Nigerian army, working with the Nigerian soldiers. Anyway, as usual, they are still going to sweep it under the carpet because this is what has been going on right from onset. Now, there is another video that is trending. This video is like, it's up to 5 years old self, where a Fulani man is telling them that cattle does not give birth to guns. The government are the one giving us guns.
Idan ba gwamnati ta daure man wanda yake cikin daji ya ta'addanci ba Allah ubangiji ya tsine man Allah dauki rayuwa ta a wurin nan. Bahilla ce saniya aka san shi da ita sai noma. Saniya ba ta haihuwa bindiga AK-47. Bahilla ce bai da makera da zai kera bindiga AK-47. Gwamnati ke turowa har muka samu. Mu kuma wallahi dalilin da ya sa billahi lazi shekara na 7 ina makarantar allo. Amma lokacin da na dawo na tsinci kaina a cikin wannan abun wallahi ina mamaki kullun ina tunanin rayuwata. Saboda mahaifa na akalla a kasar dan banga da